Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. Ulaika alladhina hada Allahu fabihudahu muqtadih. Qul la as'alukum alayhi ajra. In huwa illa dhikra lil alameen. Translation: those are the people Allah has guided, so follow their guidance. Say, O Muhammad, peace be upon him, I ask you no wages for this. This is not but a reminder for all the worlds. In the previous ayahs, we studied about the previous prophet whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guided. So you should also follow them. The scholars have said that the basic beliefs of Islam, meaning the Iman or belief, the Tawheed or oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the belief in the angels, the belief in the previous books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the previous messengers, and believe in the day of resurrection are the beliefs that were taught by the previous messengers, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also preached same beliefs and followed the previous messengers in these teachings. Also the qualities of previous messengers, meaning their worship, their zuhd and their thankfulness and so forth, was also for Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to follow. And every messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was patient on any tests came, any hardships that came in his path, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also followed this from the previous messengers, and he was patient on the hardships and on the tests that came in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's beloved messenger. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that قُلْ لَا أَسْأَلُكُمْ عَلَيْهِ أَجْرًا, meaning that for this service I do not ask any wage or anything in return. And this is the important topic that comes elsewhere in Quran. Inshallah, we will study. It is mentioned in Surah Sad as well. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that in huwa illa dhikra lil alameen, that this Quran that I am teaching you, this is the reminder for all the worlds. And this is important to understand that when this Quran is the reminder for all the worlds, all the times, the messenger who has brought this Quran is also for all the worlds and all the times. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has brought the final Sharia, final jurisprudence, and this jurisprudence and Sharia will not change till the end of the world. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us recite Quran, understand Quran, act on Quran and believe in Quran, and also help us preach Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.